Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's Nigel from Adventure Caravanners. Today I'm going to be looking at the heavy duty zero gravity lounge chairs. So stay tuned.
You know how to work it. Work it.
Okay, these are the chairs and I'm really impressed with these chairs. As you can see, you've got like a folding canopy there, which you have a tray here. If you've got like a phone, drink, or your iPad, like for instance, you can put that in there, which I think is really good. You get, and it adjusts in various different settings, and it locks into place, which I'm now going to demonstrate to you. Really impressed with these chairs, really impressed with them. Okay, like I said, what I like about these chairs, you can slide them back, your feet back. These locking ports here, you pull them down towards you, it locks in place. Now you lift them up towards you, you can go down and right back like this, and you can relax. You've obviously got, like I say, you've got the canopy here as well. So if it's a really sunny day like today, you can just put the canopy over and you have a little relaxation and it locks into place. And like I said, you've got these little handles here at the side. Pull them down, lean forward, and it sits up like that. And like I said, it's really nice. You've got like a cup holder here if you wanted to have some water or read a magazine. You've got a compartment here for your phone or a tablet. And I think these heavy duty chairs are really nice. The really nice zero gravity chairs are really nice. Nice little handle, very sturdy. I'm not the smallest of blokes, and I'm absolutely really comfortable in here. And like I say, you've got a canopy here over the top, where you can have that, back, you lean back, you can just relax, fall asleep, enjoy the lovely weather as we're having today. So overall, I'm really impressed with these chairs, and I was that impressed when I purchased two. I'll just show you what else we purchased with it. Also, we purchased this lovely table which was matching with the chairs, as you can see there. Absolutely lovely. Now, these heavy duty zone gravity chairs were just under £40. Get them from eBay, Amazon. I'll be leaving you a link down below. The table was £10. As you can see, it's got two cup holders. But overall, I'm really impressed with these chairs, which comes with a canopy as well. You've got a neck rest which comes out as well. You can have that in position there, or you can have it taken away. Really nice. Them cup holders, like I said, for your iPad, your mobile phone, or just cups, are absolutely a really nice finishing touch on these chairs. Okay, that was the heavy duty zero gravity lounge chairs. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below. I'm very impressed with those. If you like the channel, please give it the thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And finally, thanks very much for watching. Till next time, bye bye for now.
You